Magulang man sa atin, itong sandali. Wow! Pinatayan ako ng ilaw. Hello mga darling, good morning, good afternoon, good evening. My name is your darling Budoy. What's up, yo? Hello mga darling, gusto ninyo yon? May pa-reverb. Hello mga darling again. Happy Sunday and blessed Sunday to each and everyone. Mga darling, ang hangin, ang sarap. At dahil Sunday ngayon mga ka-darling, don't forget to say your prayers and thanks, okay? To our Almighty Father, our Lord, our Creator. And of course, sa mga ka-darling natin dyan na same as me, na just came out from work and don't have time to visit the church, just pray ng mataimtim sa puso ninyo at isipan ninyo. Seek the Lord, and say your prayers, thank Him and ask for guidance. Okay.